a nursing assistant on an intensive care unit, my number one priority is patient safety. But due to the many cords that you can see here that a hospital patient is connected to, there are many risks. First, spaghetti syndrome. As you can see, it's really difficult to untangle all of those cords, and a patient that is already unstable is now at a higher risk of falling. Second, infection. In a 2015 study, the infections were seen to have a common source of contamination through telemetry leads. Telemetry leads are electrocardiogram cords that are connected to a patient's chest, as shown. These cords detect abnormal heart rhythms. Sounds very important, right? However, nurses temporarily disconnect these cords every time a patient showers or every time they go for a walk. And let's be honest, the nursing ratio of 3-to-1 for patients does not exist right now. My idea will eliminate many of these risks. Currently, there are 131 million emergency room visits each year. 7 out of 10 of those visits need advanced heart monitoring. And each year, hospitals spend $73 billion on medical equipment to meet those demands. The solution is SECURECG, wireless, waterproof, and accurate heart rate and rhythm monitoring. Thank you.
All right, so we have